Hey everybody, welcome back. And in this series, we're going to be talking about one of the more exciting tools that I have seen in a long time. Now, you guys know me. I'm the Monetize Your Life guy, so I'm always coming up with tools, using tools, leveraging the tools, and then showing you how to use those tools to go out there and monetize your life, bring money in, and all of that good stuff, right? For all you people that like to make money in your sleep, I'm talking about you. But anyway, let me show you this tool. Come on in. Let me show you this tool. You're going to be super excited because the possibilities are just so crazy. Here it is. So, okay, take a look at this. Now, I'm going to just show you a little bit of the tool, and then I'm going to reveal the name. I want to show you this, but look at this. I'm just going to show you something that I use. Now, I've got a course out there right now that deals with overcoming fear of starting businesses, right? So I thought, okay, I had been running a whole bunch of ads, or actually I had used a service that was running the ads for me, and they just weren't doing a good job. I was like, oh, wait, what's going on? Why is this going in front of, dentists and lawyers and all that kind of stuff? It's because they had it placed improperly. So I took it back over and said, I'll run my own darn ads. But what I started thinking about was, how am I going to put the tools that I'm using, how am I going to use the tools to then find the way by which to put my course in front of the right folks? I came across this tool quite recently, and I'm telling you, I'm super excited. I don't know what to do with myself. It might be one of those lock yourself in the room for a weekend and come out with your head smoking after you've done all this good stuff, right? So here it is. One of the things that I talk about is overcoming fear of starting a business, right? Because a lot of people are still out there afraid to jump into the gold rush that is creating income for yourself. And that's one of the big reasons why I started Monetize Your Life and all things about that, right? Even if you're a college student, all this kind of stuff. So, but okay, I want to show you this. So I put in a keyword, right? And this is one of the key things. I just put in fear of starting a business. And that brought me to different keywords here. Fear of starting a business, okay? And it gives you some ideas of, hey, this is gonna, your cost and stuff like that. You're gonna be going out there getting some ads. This is what it's gonna cost you roughly, right? And then now look at this. Now you can look at that both ways. I don't want to go too deep into the woods here, but if it's costing, if that's a cost per click, then you also know that if you have a different kind of site and you're bringing people over to it, then that becomes what they'll pay you per click. Just keep that in your hat for a minute here. Okay, so, but this is what I did. I saw this, I looked here, and I said, okay. Fear of starting a business. And then I came across this one right here. Look at this. Overcoming the fear of starting a business. So one of the first things I did is I looked up in the Google searches, right? I says, okay, well, what does that show? Right? So now it takes you right to articles about that very keyword. So you get a chance to, do a little cheating here. Come on here. You can look at this and start saying to yourself, what are the words they're using? What kind of stuff are they going to be using in the copy? What kind of things should I be writing down to attract people in? Do you see already what's possible? Right? Now, the marketers out there, I'm sure you guys are immediately picked up on it. Absolutely, right? But if you're not a marketer, if you're just figuring out how do I determine how to put my stuff in front of folks, how do I determine, what kind of ads to put in front of stuff like that and put it for the folks, this becomes the start of it, right? So now, okay, I says, all right, I'm a little excited by that, but I'm not blown away. Come on, tell me some more stuff. So then I went here. Oh my gosh, check this out. I went to YouTube. And then it showed me the actual videos that talk about that. Now, keep this in mind. Remember when I told you I had hired a service and they were just like, terrible, and I paid them a whole lot of money and it was just bad, right? Now I have the chance to find out where I should put my videos. You get it? So when I'm running my Google ads, or even if I directed the work, I can tell them specifically where you want to put the ads in front of. Why? Because this tool just told me who's already talking about that. Now look at this. Let's go back to that. If now I'm putting it in front of someone that's got 70,000 views, the likelihood of me getting some more sales goes up. She's got 306,000 subscribers. That's exactly who I want to put it in front of, right? Maybe not the heavyweight here, right? I might not want to put it in front of my man here because he's a heavyweight. But think about this for a minute. 1.24 million subscribers. If I put myself in front of him, my stuff better be tight. But this gives you at least the opportunity to find out what people are talking about. So let's say I create books and all that kind of stuff. I come up with stuff all the time. Or I'll take my blog post, I create a book out of it. Now I can go over to Amazon and see what kind of books are being talked about relative to that subject matter. Now, are you guys already seeing what I'm seeing here? This tool is going to blow you away. I'm going to do another video on it. This is just the first. I'll do the next video, and in the next video, I'm going to reveal this product.